Hi, I'm Martin Hudak. Welcome to Din and Ants in 22. Today I would like to show a very simple coffee cocktail, sort of twist on a gin and tonic. What we'll need is a highball glass filled up with ice. And we're gonna add a little bit of citric acid solution, which is gonna give us slight acidity. Followed by the ginger syrup. You can buy a commercial one or make the one by yourself, 20 ml. Of course, beautiful gin, 30 ml. And we're gonna give it a gentle stir. This is my brew and tonic, twist on classic gin and tonic. The reason why I call it brew and tonic because we're gonna top it up with a cold brew coffee. Cold brew coffee is a coffee which is basically a combination of coffee grounds in the water, left overnight for about 12 to 18 hours, and then strained to the muslin cloth. And you want to get this beautiful, rich, sweet, delicious coffee afterwards. The advantage of cold brew is you can store it in the fridge for up to 2 weeks, and it's easy to use within the bar service. Now, because this is sort of gin and tonic, as I said, we're gonna top it up with the tonic water. Give another gentle stir. And then we're gonna put a little bit of cold brew on top, about 50 to 80 ml. At the same time, this sort of twists on a classic drink called espresso tonic, which is very famous across the Europe. As a garnish, we're gonna put a slice of lemon, which is gonna act like a little ground or floor for our bubble. At this time, we're gonna use a bubble which is gonna taste and smell like a ginger, enhance those beautiful spicy flavors. Enjoy. Brew and tonic with a beautiful ginger aroma. Wow.